the smart, the smarter, and the smartest. I think we are truly celebrating the smartest of them all tonight. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Gaurav Bakshi, and it gives me great pleasure to welcome you tonight to the Smarties India Awards Night. The Smarties India 2012 is the inaugural edition of the leading global mobile marketing awards in the industry. Now in its 8th year globally, the first year in India, which is being organized in association with Exchange for Media, the Smarties India is proud to announce a full lineup of 15 categories in mobile strategy, as well as industry-focused awards, all saluting outstanding achievement across the vast mobile marketing ecosystem. Before we move on to the award ceremony, I would like to invite Mr. Rohit Dadwal, Managing Director, Mobile Marketing Association, Asia Pacific Limited, to please come on stage and say a few words. Thank you, Mr. Dadwal. I think what he's essentially saying is, let's party smartly. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure to now call on stage Vishwanath Alluri, Founder, Chairman, and CEO, IMI Mobile, to say a few words. Mr. Alluri, let's hear it for him. Thank you, Mr. Alluri. I think, as you pointed out, one of the obvious significances of this space, an interesting fact, perhaps an obvious one to all here, but there are more mobile users than TV, radio, and print put together. So clearly, the potential in this space is unlimited. And unlike most other media, it allows for direct reach to the consumer and direct interaction. So I think that's where the differentiation lies in this space. With that, we will take you through a short audio-visual of the Smarties India jury now. Please watch the AV.
Welcome.
May I now request Mr. Vishnu Mohan, Chief Executive Officer, Havas Media Asia Pacific, to come on stage and join us, please. He was also the jury chairperson for Smarties India, and he'll be sharing his experience of leading the eminent jury. Thank you. Can I request you to please stay on stage for the awards? Thank you so much, Mr. Mohan. The finalists of the Mobile Marketing Smarties Awards represent the pillars of innovation, creativity, and success, highlighting the teams and talent that push the boundaries of mobile marketing to reach and engage with consumers like no other media channel. Congratulations to all our finalists, and we'll go straight into what you've all been waiting for. To give away the first set of awards in the marketing category, marketing strategy group, I'd like to invite Mr. Rob Marston, founder, Zeus Unwired, to join Mr. Mohan on stage to give away all the awards in this group. Let's welcome him.